that it was an entry in, and it was originally interpreted by Anthony Castello. The song is titled Hahanapin Ko, and I think every single Filipino, let me say that again, just because, I think every single Filipino that leaves the Philippines can absolutely relate to this song. I mean, there are so many of us, myself included, that have left for greener pastures elsewhere, for better opportunities. However, there's always this one thing, there's always something that keeps us tethered to home. And it can be something different for everyone. It can be someone in your family, it can be a parent, it can be a child, it can be food, it can be, yes, food. Which is why I'll never be a size 0, and that's okay. Sunshine, the sound of the beach, the heat. No, not traffic, pwede ba? That is the one thing I like actually getting away from. But there is so much, for me, there is so much at home that I love. That no matter where I go, no matter how far away from home I find myself, I'm still connected to it somehow. So for every one of you that can relate to the sentiments of the song, and for every one of you that still has someone or something that's keeping you attached to home, this one is for you. Hahanapin ko ang awit at tinig mo pag nalayo sa'yo. Hahanapin ko ang halakhak mo kahit na kung saan dako. Hahanapin ko dahil hindi kita lilimutin kahit na sandali. Hahanapin ko ang sikat ng araw mo pag nalayo sa'yo. Hahanapin ko dagat mo at buwan, ang tag-araw at taglan. Hahanapin sa timog hilagang kanluran. Hahanapin ko sa pag-ibang bayan, o sa aking paglayo dadalhin, sa aking paglipad babaunin init ng iyong araw, sinang ilaw at luningning sa aking paglayo. Dadalhin ang lahat at nang di na aanhin ko pa.